Preparation is the key to success. Preparation is the key to success. Your attitude determines your direction. Your attitude determines your direction. A beautiful life begins with a beautiful mind. A beautiful life begins with a beautiful mind. The biggest power is a kindness. The biggest power is kindness. Education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world. Education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world. Keep shining beautiful when the world needs your light. Keep shining beautiful when the world needs your light. If you get tired, learn to rest, not to quit. If you get tired, learn to rest, not to quit. Accept more from yourself and less from others. Accept more from yourself and less from others. Honesty is the best policy. Honesty is the best policy. Be brave, be creative, be kind, be thankful, be happy, be you. Be brave, be creative, be kind, be thankful, be happy, be you. The best apology is a changed behavior. The best apology is a changed behavior. I never lose, either I win or I learn. I never lose, either I win or I learn. You are capable of more than you know. You are capable of more than you know. One kind word can change someone's entire day. One kind word can change someone's entire day.